The word opportunity is derived from words meaning a fit, suitable, seasonable, or favorable time, and has also been used as a reference to wind blowing towards a port, as in, your ship has come in. Today, however, the word opportunity generally refers to favorable circumstances that make it possible to do something. No matter how much you know, and no matter how skilled you are, if you don't have the right opportunities, you will never be able to initiate and manage positive changes. And yet, when you are encouraged with opportunities, you'll find the wind is blowing in your favor, enabling you to demonstrate your knowledge and apply your skills because your ship has finally come in. The question becomes, how are you cultivating opportunities to bring your knowledge and skills to port?